Hi, this is Kevin from Reese Roofing at 10 mccathern in Bridgewater, New Jersey, doing a repair attempt on that shingle over there. The first repair attempt was done over here on a different slope. This is what it looked like after. It's actually more pronounced now. I suppose after a few rainstorms, the creases came out more, washed away the granules that were affected. This will be repair attempt number 2. As you can see above it, there are no creases. I will try to stand this up over here. See if that works. Okay. Okay. So after that repair, little bit right here. After the repair, see there are creases above it, just like the other repair. Another thing you gotta look at is that when you pry it up, it also ripped the backing of the shingle, as you can see right there, and it's on all of them actually. So these shingles will not be able to perform the same they were, and that was just from trying to get them to unstick. Do that 100 times or however many times, and you just continually make more damage. This roof can't be repaired, it has to be replaced. It's evident from this repair attempt and that one over there.